Beautiful day here in Cleveland, Oakland, California. We got a pool ready for some boat races. It's a cold day here, chilly with some clouds, overcast. We don't know what kind of storms are in season, but all we do know is that Head-Royce is in for an Odyssey journey.
Hey, so far so good. Wait, where we go? Where would the boats go?
Let's go!
Down.
The official rules for today are that each boat needs to go down and back on the course. They need to touch the side of the pool before they turn around, and then they need to make it successfully over. If their boat falls into the water or starts to sink, they need to get as far as they can. But if their body starts touching the water itself or they start just swimming, they are disqualified.
Oh, you guys are cheap.
We got Max here today. Max, being a safety expert of the sophomore class here for a couple of months, what would you say is the biggest safety concern for this race?
I think really falling off the boat and getting pulled down by the extreme force of the water.
This is your first time with the boat races. What are your fears?
We're gonna drown.
That's your primary fear?
Yeah, I'm afraid our captain can't swim.
That's it.
Let's go!
Oh, didn't see you there. Just wanted to say that after looking at all these boats, I have some pre-game thoughts. We have the Paul Brakeman advising with an under fin. I think it'll probably slow him down, to be honest. And I think the winner here is going to be the Glog over C advising that has turbo Pepsi jets on the side that they'll release during the mid-race, and it'll propel them to the red.
I believe that we will win!
Folks, we just saw that Tang Lazowski lost their paddle, then we saw Head-Royce take the lead, and then Lazowski come back in the end.
Get ready, paddle!
We're on to the finals now. We got Tang Lazowski versus Pryor and the Pirates. So Thaddeus, first the Cubs, now the boat race. How does it feel?
Just 108 years we haven't won that boat race, and now we did.
Well, folks, this is the end of the boat race of this year. Thanks for joining us. We'll hope you'll be back next. Take care, folks.